supply is getting exhausted almost immediately, which is an element of strength. And we were talking about this bar as the breakout bar. We were talking about this bar right here or this bar right here. And all of these levels are not reached. Until I'm still thinking that even though we are in the trading range, I'm still remaining bullish on gold in general, like long term.
This change of behavior bar is pretty aggressive, right? Because initially you can't even retest here. Then you still have a move to the downside. We see demand coming in, right? And we hover here. So we spend some time, like you said, then we have some demand into this. No follow through right away, supply comes in. You can see it. Demand is present because of the compression. You can see the analog bars. But to me, it's still this bar. This is the bar.
Yeah.
So even half of this, if we retest, that's still okay. Like more, like higher, like closest to the highs we're getting, it's better. That shows strength. So you want to see like a retest of those highs if the gold is strong, and then spend some time in the trading range. And yeah, there might be a reaccumulation after a few months. But yeah, I think this level is very important, right? The highs, how fast we can retest that level.